folks. This is what I got. I just farted. Sorry. This is the ATC70 engine. I don't know shit about it, but I'm not sure what the hell. Just trying to see if there's any writing on it. It needs a cover. The cover is neutral. So this goes on there somehow. Where's the... It goes in there. That goes on there, and that's neutral. So I don't want to strip that. I guess I could put a wrench on it. Neutral. 10, try 11. 11 millimeter. Where are you? 12 maybe. Work. Yeah. So that's neutral. No. That's neutral again. I don't know what I'm doing here. It says on the case neutral's that way. So if I go like this, see, like this. Is that going neutral? Forward. Shouldn't turn the sprocket. A little more. The sprocket's turning. So I don't know. This seems to go all the way that way. That turns the sprocket. This goes this way, one. That still turns it. Turn it on. Okay. I don't know. I don't know anything about these engines. So, laugh at me. I do know that take all the damn dirt off it, it might look a little nicer. Which comes with a pull cord assembly, which from what I can tell are expensive as hell online. So looks like your typical engine. I don't know where it came. I'm not really sure where this engine's been, but it's got lots of red sand on it. So has it been in the dunes somewhere? I don't know. Yeah, thing moves here. I should stuff something in there so it doesn't get dirt in it. Let me get a knife out here. Let's see. Knife. I always have knives on here. Where do I put them? Here's a knife. Like this. Stick that in there. So nothing gets in it. Do I know anything about this? I know more about this Gerber knife than I do this engine. All I know is I'm going to try to clean it off. Get the dirt off of it. And we'll work from there. Dried greasy dirt everywhere. Let me turn it around now. I put the shifter on. I'll take it off again, just to see if it would work. Do something, but this is what I got. Big dirty chunk of engine. Oh, this is like corroded right here, or broken. Just chunky monkey all over the place here. Another thing to stuff. Okay. Put a piece of cloth in there. There we go. At least I have the bolts for the bottom. I'm not sure what the hell half of this is. There's like grease and crud on everywhere. There we go. I just want to clean it off so I don't get covered in dirt. 6 minutes of playing with the engine. Like I said, I don't know anything about these things. Maybe I should try some brute force. Where's the other purchase version? There we go. Here's the wire brush. Get some of the grime off. There we go. It's a little better. There we go. Probably should spray with brake cleaner. Bring it outside and give it a spray. What if I put it parts cleaner? Let's see. I got brake clean. Parts greasy. See if it degreases it a little. Ooh, look at that. I know I should probably just spray the whole damn engine with it, but go like this. All this shit off of here. I'm assuming it works. I can only make assumptions because I don't really know. Assuming somebody was. Just get all the crusty bits out. Yeah, a little stick brush here. Just trying to get the crud out. Let me get a pick here. Picky, picky. There we go. Let's close this. So we'll fill the drawer up with dirt. There's a shitload of crud in here. Ooh, look at that. Got some dirt from somewhere. Plant a garden in this engine. It's like this now. Turn it this way. Clean it off. There we go. Ta-da! It's a little better. I can plant a goddamn garden on this thing. So much grease and dirt. Let's go like this. Ooh. Stuff flies out of here. Oh, I could see the original engine color coming back to life here. What's that? Paint blow up. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there we go. Let's go like this. There we go. Ouch, that hurt. I will do my homework first before I take anything apart, because I don't know what's in there. I haven't looked. I got to get a manual, a few other things. This is the last piece of equipment I'm working on. I'm working on getting the thing rolling first, and then I want to get it rolling faster than the other bikes, because it's a smaller bike, and well, it looks like it's easier to tame. So I don't think it is, but you know what? Let's see. Let's get this little thing out of the way here. Let me put all this shit out of the way. Move this over. Grab this. Like this. I just cleaned my bench, dude. I just cleaned the bench. Let's go like this. There we go. Put that down there. I'll sweep the floor in a minute. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. It is what it is. Surprisingly, this engine is extremely light. Take all the crud out of here. I don't know. I'm not sure what I should. Not sure what I should tinker with first. The answer is probably nothing, but I should just spray the whole damn thing with brake cleaner. Clean it off. Get all it nice and clean. I should check the coil in here. I know there's a coil. What do you call it? The coil's in there. Let me take it apart. Stay tuned.